What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out this special video. There are so many ways to make money online, thousands of ways. But in this video, I will show you my most favorite and efficient method to make money online. Are you ready?
Hey, it's Ankur Shukla here, and do you know what's the most boring part about launching a new WordPress site? It's doing all those menial tasks that need to be done every single time you set up a new WordPress site. And now with the new GDPR law, it's a lot more work for you. Removing all the default posts, comments and sample pages, doing all the WordPress general settings, having the right SEO settings so your site can show up in Google, creating must-have pages like the About page, privacy policy, contact us, adding important legal pages like affiliate disclaimers, Amazon disclaimers, copyright pages and many more, installing all the important plugins you need to have on your site and creating the categories, posts and pages you need on your new site. And now with the whole new GDPR law, you need to create GDPR compliant legal pages and add a bunch of forms and checkboxes to your site in order to be fully compliant with GDPR. Now doing all this will easily take you 3 to 4 hours each time you set up a new WordPress site. Well, not anymore. Introducing WP Fresh Start 5.0. This brand new version of my best-selling plugin does all those menial tasks for you in just 2 minutes. Yes, it even takes care of all your GDPR requirements so that every single site you create is compliant with GDPR and EU law automatically. It also automatically inserts affiliate links and Amazon offers into your blog posts so you make money on complete autopilot from your site. Yes, this plugin not only launches your site but also makes you money without having to do anything from your end. Just launch it once and forget it. Want to see how it works? Let me show you. So let me show you a quick demo of what's inside WP Fresh Start 5. Now in the new version, we've added GDPR settings that actually make your sites compatible with GDPR, and we've also made monetization options in this plugin which makes your site make money on complete autopilot. Also, we've added a lot more smaller features that actually make this a must-have plugin to create your sites using WordPress. Now you can see 2 options here. That's the quick settings and the advanced settings option. Now the advanced settings lets you quite deeper, but let's first go into the quick settings option here. Now here you can see a list of 7 steps, and all these 7 steps let you quickly set up your sites. So you start with the content settings, enter your site title, tagline, you can erase all the posts and pages, you can create content pages like about us, contact us, HTML sitemaps, create blank pages if you want, create posts, sample content, create categories, tags, delete all comments, stop comment spam, do all the comment settings, and also you can do legal settings that are basically about privacy policy, terms of use, cookie policy, and we have a separate section for that in the legal area. And next you can go into the GDPR settings and then actually have some quick GDPR settings like cookie consent, EU traffic settings, add checkbox to contact forms, and also force TNC acceptance. We also have a detailed GDPR settings page which has a lot more features to completely cover you with GDPR. And next you can also install multiple plugins at the same time and add a bunch of plugins at the same time if you want to quickly install plugins. Next, we have a bunch of security settings we have added, like forcing HTTPS on the front end, forcing HTTPS in admin, disable right click and all those things. SEO settings like changing your permalinks, creating XMLs, and also some other settings like adding your Google Analytics code and also your Facebook pixel code and Google Webmaster. Now this basically completely sets up your site in just a few seconds, and this is the quick settings option. We can also go into the advanced settings and you have all these options one by one that you can dive in and then configure each one in detail if you want. Now we've made a massive amount of updates in the legal part of this plugin, which means now you can actually create more legal pages like privacy policies, terms of use, and all these amazing pages that are required for your site. You can also show a cookie warning according to the new EU laws and basically add any text you want and only show this to the cookie visitors, to the EU visitors basically if you want. Also, we have added an amazing privacy policy generator. Now, we have not seen any other plugin have this, but you can actually create your own privacy policy based on your information and then enter the information you have about your company or your business or yourself, and then actually just fill out a few simple fields and it will create a customized privacy policy and according to your own site. Just keep adding the information that you need and you will be able to instantly generate a privacy policy that applies to your site. And at the end of this, you will be able to generate a privacy policy that you will be able to preview and also edit if you want. You can also append this to an existing page and save it there, or you can actually create a new page out of it. Also, you can do the same thing for terms and conditions as well as the cookie policy. So just fill out the information and basically select some boxes and create a GDPR compliant cookie policy in just a few steps. All right, we have a lot more options for the GDPR, and you can actually configure all of those to be compatible with GDPR and be compliant. It also shows a cookie consent warning and then logs all the cookie consents in your site itself. So you have complete history, and also you can create data breach notifications and data access requests, data rectification requests, and also basically block visitors from different places if you want. And you can also add checkboxes to comment forms and contact forms so that you have all those as are completely GDPR compliant as well. All right, so these are some amazing features we have added to make your sites GDPR compliant. Now, as you can see, this plugin basically covers everything you need to be GDPR compliant, and that's why you need to use this plugin every time you set up your sites. Now, with the monetization part, we've added inline links. So automatic inline links can be linked to affiliate offers, and they can be part of any of your content pages or posts, and they'll automatically link to an affiliate offer of your choice. We also have the Amazon option to make money. Just add your Amazon key and add your Amazon affiliate ID, and you will be able to automatically show Amazon ads based on the content of your pages and the category you have chosen. And we have a lot more options on how many ads you want to show, images, prices, what text you want to add before or after the text, before the after the ads, and also where you want to show these ads, whether they should be at the end of the post or the beginning of the post. And once you save these Amazon ads for specific products and categories will automatically show on your site. Let me just quickly show you how that looks. So when you go in and see this for a page, you will see that how it looks. So now you can see these ads are appearing at the end of the post, and these are easy to click, and you will be able to instantly get results and start making money from your sites, no matter what kind of site you have and no matter what kind of content you have. So as you can see, this is an all-in-one plugin that takes care of everything that any WordPress site must have. No matter what kind of blogs you have, whether they are content blogs, review sites, affiliate sites, or even a company website, this one plugin takes care of most important things for your site in just one click. No wonder we have over 25,000 customers that have installed this plugin on their site, and more than 80,000 sites have been actively using this in the last few years. This is my most popular plugin I have ever created, and that's why I know you are going to love this plugin, because this will save you a lot of pain, time, and frustration while building a WordPress site. Also, this will make sure your sites are GDPR compliant every single time you launch a site. They will have the right legal pages for affiliate marketing, for sales, or any kind of site you want. So stop wasting your time and energy setting up WordPress sites one by one, when you can do all those tasks in just 2 minutes, in just one click using WP Fresh Start. Just download this plugin immediately and start using it on your site. Click the button below and get instant access at our special discounted rate today.
Cool, right? To download this product, all you have to do is click on the link below, and it'll take you to the page where you can download it. Thanks for watching.